Brian Tripp joined by Jason March from James Hardie. Jason, thanks so much for being here today.
Thanks for having me. I appreciate it.
Well, before we get into the products, can you tell us a little bit about the company?
Yeah, so James Hardie is the inventor and industry leader of fiber cement. We actually are all across the country in North America and then also across seas as well too.
Well, fiber cement siding is taking off. Why is that?
So I think the big reason for James Hardie taking off is really for three main reasons. So one, the aesthetics that James Hardie provides. We have a plethora of different options as far as colors, different exposures, and different styles that we can provide to the end user. Two is going to be the performance. So we invest over $30 million a year in research and development to make sure that the end user is getting the best possible product to put on the wall. And I think that's really resonating with the end user. And then finally, the support that James Hardie offers to contractors and builders, architects, whatever it may be, to not only help grow their siding business, but their business as a whole. And I think we finally start to see some of that headway in the market.
Well, let's start with what people see first, and that's the colors. There are so many different colors available. Some are really taking off, I know. What really is it about the colors and the different varieties that you guys offer?
Yeah, that's a great question. I think some of the colors that have really started to grow within the market is going to be those grays and the blues. And I think the reason why some of these colored products are really starting to make an impact, specifically for James Hardie, is the way that we finish the product. So it's going to be a multi-coat, baked-on finish that we do in-house. Reason why that's so great and the reason why it's really caught wind here in the market is because it can be controlled and maintained in our factory. So the end result, it's going to fade 30% less than any field-applied paint, third-party paint, to give that end user the best product possible.
Well, that's part of what makes the product great, but as you mentioned, the research development is so key as well in this whole process. So what else can you tell us about the product?
Yeah, so what else about the product is what's great at the end of the day, it's going to be lower maintenance for the homeowner. So it's a great product, it looks great, but hey, when I put it up, what does that mean for me? And lower maintenance is huge. So let's say a couple years down the road, you're not going to have to take the siding off and replace it with more siding. It's very easy, you can just go ahead and paint it, and you got a brand new looking house.
So this and more is what separates it apart from the competition.
Correct, yes, very much so.
All right. Design styles, what type of availability do these different styles have for whether it's contractors, people looking to put this on the side of their house?
Yeah, so we offer a ton of support outside of just product offerings too, because we know it's one thing to have a great product, but what we're really invested in is making sure that people's businesses grow as long with ours. So some of the things we can offer are Contractor Eye, which is a 3D platform that you can get a rendering of the house and a complete takeoff to showcase to the homeowner. We also have a rep for each particular segment in the building industry. So whether you're an install, whether you're a member of Lezzer Lumber looking to help out with a customer, whether you're a remodeling contractor looking to reside a house or a new construction builder, we have somebody dedicated to that segment of the business to partner with you and put together programs and really help understand how can we make your business grow.
So for James Hardie, it's important not only to educate the customer, but be there throughout the lifetime of this product to make sure they're satisfied.
Correct. Yes, very much so.
Well, Jason, we really appreciate the time today. Thanks so much.
Thank you for having me.
Jason March with us here from James Hardie. Thank you.